be both happy and unhappy at the same time. We'll see. But business moves, baby. I just called my mom to come outside. She said she could hear it, and she's afraid. So, let's see. Oh, she's coming in this door.
You didn't. You didn't. It is so beautiful. In my pajamas. Let's go.
Okay, you want to go for a ride?
Of course I do.
Do you want air-conditioned seat or heated seat?
Let's do the heat first.
Okay.
See.
Ventilated, but yeah.
I don't know if I heard of that.
They've been out for a